Hi, this is Salman Raj from the Department of Computer Science and Technology. This is my seventh experiment of database systems of PL or SQL programming 1. And this aim is to implement PL or SQL programming using triggers and cursors. Queries is that to create a simple trigger that does not allow insert, update and delete operations on the supply table. So create trigger T1 before insert on supply 1 for each row declare variable 1 number 4. So we have to begin if we have to give the statements about if and everything. Then we have to give this program. What the next one is create trigger T2 before delete unsupplied 1 for each row declare variable 1 number 4 begin. We have to delete variable 4 number 1 and we have to give some statements. The next one is a third one, that is trigger T3 create trigger T3 before update on supplier 1 for each row declare variable 1 number 4 begin. So I have to give this one and we will generate a table about showing that create trigger T1, T2, T3. We have to show that below tables till T3s. Next one is the create trigger to ensure that does not contain duplicate. Create trigger T4 after insert on supplier 1 for each row. So we have to declare variable 1 number 4. So begin we have to use same we have to give and we have to and we'll get about trigger T4. We have to create a table. Next one is create a trigger that raises an user defined error message and does not allow updating the order table. So we have to create trigger error message before update on supplier 1 for each row. So again we have to declare variable number 4 begins. We have to create a table in this. Fourth one is write a PL or SQL script to display the supply details whose has P ID greater than 3. Create procedure P1 CS261. So we have to give it again we have to generate with giving us P1 CS261 number default -1. So again we have to give select count, everything we have to give and we will generate this table. Fifth one is write a PL or SQL script to display the product names whose order quantity is greater than 10 using cursors. Create procedure P2 CS261. So again we are giving as a P2 CS261 number default -1, giving us same values as even count number begin select count. We have to give everything and we have to generate this table giving us from order quantity where order quantity is greater than 10 and if and sixth one is write a trigger to update the order table whenever the customer ID is updated in the customer table. So we have to create a trigger T1 with CS261 after update on customer 1 for each row begin and we have to give again this one as if new dot customer ID everything we have to give and we'll generate this table. Write a PL or SQL block to display an implicit cursor for the any two of the given table. So we have to declare total 2 rows number 2 begin with update order quantity. So set order quantity equal to order quantity plus 5 plus 5. So again we have to type this dbms output line, declare 2 rows numbers begin with update product 1. So set product ID plus 5. We have to end it and we have to get table. And eighth one is write a PL or SQL block to display an implicit cursor for any two of the given table. So I declare customer ID number, customer ID customer 1 dot customer ID person type. So customer name customer 1 dot customer name person type. Customer 1 is select customer ID, customer name, customer address. From customer 1 we have to show everything about customer ID, name, address from 1 and begin with open customer 1, loop fetch customer 1 into customer ID, customer name, customer address. So I have to show and we have to get details above from the table and we have to end with this result as PL programming has been done successfully. So this is my 7th one.